Hey homeowners, looking to revamp your kitchen? Let's talk about something crucial yet often overlooked: ceiling lighting. From aesthetics to functionality, choosing the right lighting can transform your entire space. First up, ambient lighting. This is your primary light source, providing general illumination. Think ceiling-mounted fixtures, LED fixtures, and recessed lighting. It sets the tone and ensures the space feels open and inviting. Next, we have task lighting. This focuses on specific areas where activities like chopping or reading recipes take place. Under cabinet lights, pendant lamps over kitchen islands, and strip lights under shelves are excellent choices here. They provide targeted illumination to make your tasks easier and safer. Then, there's accent lighting. These lights add decorative touches and highlight features in your kitchen. Examples include cabinet lights, wall sconces, and even toe kick lights. They're perfect for adding character and depth to your space. Now let's dive into the best fixtures for kitchen ceilings. Recessed lighting is sleek and unobtrusive, ideal for modern or minimalist kitchens, and great for both ambient and task lighting. Pendant lamps are stylish and perfect for task lighting over islands, adding a touch of elegance. LED fixtures are energy efficient, long-lasting, and come in various forms like flush mounts and chandeliers. Flush mount ceiling lights are a good option for low ceilings, providing ample ambient light and available in various designs. And let's not forget track lighting. It's adjustable, versatile for both task and ambient lighting, and excellent for focusing light on specific areas or highlighting decor. Why is proper kitchen ceiling lighting so important? It improves visibility and safety, enhancing the aesthetics of your kitchen. Modern solutions, particularly LEDs, are energy efficient and reduce costs. Plus, a well-lit kitchen can significantly increase your property value and appeal to potential buyers. In conclusion, proper kitchen ceiling lighting is crucial for creating a functional and beautiful kitchen space. RA Cooks Renovations is here to help with lighting design and installation, ensuring your kitchen is both well lit and stylish. Contact them at 937-884-2283 for more information. Thanks for watching and happy remodeling.